Yo. Yo.
Okay, that papa me, that's now soon.
Zio.
Nananom abetufo a ntwa asaba kyekere mampong man e man na mampong abusua bia ba wo yan wo sani o
Zio.
tani akwasison
Zio.
wotro kofinsa
Zio.
ofin abransa
Zio.
esubusumu ta busuma mabeka nyina mo beje sano
Zio.
yetimi kam mo bia wadaroma na eye abai no hyehyeye se efiada bia yedi osumi dumienu ne kai bia no eye da sonko a wahyehyɛ ma akuafo nananom magye nsano afio daroma na de yehunu bi da yehunu bi da kra no a akyɛ ɛwɔ mampɔmɛ mu ase na yewura mu akɔhene so ɛne Nananom Mampong Hemaa so ɛna ahyehyɛ saa dwumadie a ɛte sɛ yie ɛna Asante nyinaa atwa hyia ama sesei yɛbɛyi kuafoɔ hene ɛna bɛde akyire ne wɔn mo fata nyinaa wɔ mampɔmɛ mu ase nananom onye yɛ adom na nna dwumadie a ba yɛ ahyehyɛ amba mampɔmɛ ɛnyɛ krabɛhwɛ ɛnyɛ sonko koraa wɔ aman foforɔ mu wadaroma nananom mo nsani o sesei yɛbɛfiri dwumadie no ase yɛmpɛ watimi wakame adeɛ bɛyɛ musuo biara no yɛmpɛ bi ɛwɔ mampɔmɛ mu ase Nananom Mampong Hemaa nkwa so o nananom mpanimfoɔ nkwa so nananom mpanimfoɔ nyinaa mo nkwa so yɛn akyea me yɛdi ho ayaw nyinaa mbɛgye nsa no ɔmampanin nkwa so o wadaroma adeɛ biara a wasusu sɛ wɔyama Ghana man biara no ɛnyɛ dwoodwoodwoodwoo na ɛnyɛ krabɛhwɛ na yɛhunu yɛ aka deɛ yɛmpɛ bi atie sɛdeɛ aban no ne nhyehyɛeɛ ne botaeɛ wɔ ne mpanimfoɔ nyinaa ɛta n'akyi agye atom sɛ wɔn yɛ aboa ma asanteman ɛne ebi aso mampɔman nso so ɛnyɛ krabɛhwɛ nananom wadaroma nananom wadaroma sesei nneɛma a atwa hyia nyinaa ɛyɛ sika ɛna yɛde atotɔ nneɛma no nyinaa de bɛbɔ akuafoɔ aba so baabi a sika no firi yɛ nyinaa no nkɔhyɛ ɔmampanin anan mu no ɔmfa bi ɛnyɛ mpuntumba wɔ nkurɔfoɔ aka no so ekuro so nananom yɛde yɛdi ani o mo na mo wani na obi a wɔn de ɔse ɔbɛsɔre atia aban no nhyehyɛeɛ a wɔreyɛ ɛma no nkɔsoɔ deɛ ɛneɛ mo bie mo ani na mo nipa korɔ deɛ a momfrɛ no na monto no fo pia
yo yɛda nananom ase
nananom yɛda mo ase yɛkɔ yɛnene atoa nam ɛbɛtae dwumadie no akyi nananom yɛda mo ase ɛma mo nyinaa soso akɔ aba
yo yɛhyɛ mo a ahobrɛaseɛm akɔ anaa mmienu bi ɛnyina hɔ ɛnhwɛ sɛ obiara nsa nyina saa beaeɛ hɔ bio ama yɛ
Sabri, the other kind say Deputy Executive Director, Head, Cocoa Board, Dr. Mrs. Margaret Ayakwa, Mami, Efakwenye Sunyama, Akwa Basoko.
Good morning. Program H and say bro. But we do go, don't worry. The Honorable Regional Minister, who happens to be my son, and who was always making me a proud mother. The Honorable Member of Parliament, present. Nananom, Queen Mother's Chiefs present. The clergy, the imams, head of security agencies, directors of various departments and agencies, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I will say all other protocol observed, and to the most important people gathered here today, our gallant farmers. I warmly welcome you to this auspicious and prestigious occasion of the celebration of the 41st Regional Farmers Day here in Asante Mampong, the saints of the occupant of the silver stool of Ashanti Kingdom. Nananom and Mampong are indeed honored to host this historic and memorable occasion. The theme for this year's celebration, Feed Ghana, Eat Ghana, Secure the Future. Very suitable and befitting for the occasion. It's deep and with the heartbeat of our nation's progress. Eat Ghana, a call to embrace local food, to cherish the richness of our land, and to foster pride in our cultural heritage. By so doing, we reduce the dependency on imported and promote healthy livelihoods. By choosing Ghana's products, we empower farmers and strengthen our local economy and uphold the dignity of our land. For Ghana to achieve the objectives set for this year's celebration, we are being called and urge governments, communities, individuals, etc. to support agri development through initiative, sustainable investment in our farmers' welfare. Most important, let us move beyond harvesting. We need storage and processing facilities within the Mampong and the Setra enclave. This will create jobs for our youth and wealth for our people. Agriculture is not merely an occupation, but the foundation upon which our society and our economy strives on. To our hard-working farmers, you are the backbone of Ghana's food security. Every seed you grow, every harvest you reap, finds our home and fills our baskets. We are entirely grateful to you for your inevitable contribution to the nation. I wish to especially acknowledge the contribution of women in the farming industry, as you're often unseen engineers to the farming industry. You're often the one who plants, harvests, and also ensure the food reaches our home and our baskets. Let me emphasize on this. Let me say, when it comes to Ikuya, Emma and Brekesi, and so Emma is always the silent people in the process. But you never tell us, Emma and I said, as we celebrate Farmers Day, we also celebrate our women as well, especially in farming. Yes, you know, my work is here. The best say abiding young baby. Now, one Emma said, you or many Jikuya, or many young ye. And said, and you may be a come one Emma, your youth, and any Jikuya. It may be a Sikai free woman. It's an regional minister or a member of parliament where you best say. Abino and yet, and you may be a more semi-boo, a queer four. Now, Obibeton, the Nomaya, now Pocam room. Your beton, a man I answer, your beton, all money for you. It's a next season, and I said, and Obaya people ran up for bar. Yana a home can, and I said, or the best or better home can, or the best I drop ya, they can be a come on our buffalo. It's a best say, a buying and I'm seeing you have. Regional minister, you need to so you're listening government. Your best says, oh, why with facilities are woman for her. Obama for her. Carrots, but we need a processing center. You do carrots, now, a Jordan and a massive year. You can now, investments on what you're doing. But the only returns is because you need facility, you need processing facility. Honorable Tiwenia, this is a plea to you through His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. I know he's a lesson president. It's over now in his tenure, when he says we should eat what we grow. Every man I took on, Mr. Say, Adia and this do and he said, I'm going to be Diana. I am sick and you're my different with Chivas. Now you best say, every year, yes, say, all my processing centers, especially your carrots. And we're also looking forward to our 24-hour economy market as well. To the awardees this year, I say a big congratulations to you. You are the toil in neighbor and your contribution is always invaluable. You are the loyalty of our soul. And I'll say, are you cool? And then whoever wins, meaning so I hear Juman over winning. So on behalf of the Traditional Council, and other traditional councils joined together. I'll say congratulations to every farmer. Every farmer has worked, even if you win or you don't win, irrespective of what you do. I'll say a big thank you to every farmer who's made sure that our tables are always, close with food. Thank you very much.
Nana chairperson ase Nana Jakuma Tifi ewo the same da ode amaye.